Hey, watchmaker. Hey, watchmaker, I got to come in here and see if I can make it in that moron made. Hey, watchmaker, 7.5 in the Carolinas waving break.
I sure hope this moron made sounds all right on your end. I sure do. Sounded good, brother. 430K, your watchmaker. So
Dad, man, I appreciate.
Hey, watchmaker, I see you in there, but I don't think I got conditions on you. Hey, watchmaker, 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 say worldwide 75. Hey, watchmaker, 7.5, say let's go.
It's all about the bass, no trouble. Runaway XYZ, your shotgun of Massachusetts, back out. Man, that's a big old hammer you got, Big John Stud. Hey, Big John Stud, that is one great big old hammer you got around the Carolinas in the Detroit this season, ain't no doubt about it. Thanks for bumping it down, like I said, man. Have a good night. Mrs. Big John Stud, your wild child working the vertical side in the Great Lakes, and I'm reading the mail. Great Lakes are where?
Hey, watchmaker, I don't think I got conditions in Florida, man. It seems like everything's coming out of the west and the northwest. Hey, watchmaker, 7.5's trying. Break, break. Hey, BT, you trying to break my meter, man. Hey, BT, I ain't got all them big watts like John Stud and 804, but you trying to break my needle out here in the Carolinas, your 7.5 on this 2x6 in the man cave waving. Now, BT, you know you can't be putting a target on my back while I'm out here in the man cave like that, man. We ain't doing but 450 bird watts total. You can't be putting that great big old target on my back like that, BT. 7.5 right back.
I don't know if anybody out here right now, 7.5. Mother Nature sitting down on top of that shack. They worldwide 7.5. I know I'm putting a target on you, but I don't know if they can take you out of here.
Oh, Lord. Not only are you putting a target on me, you painting it with some good paint. Hey, BT, let me get out of the way, man. I'm out here in the shack out back running this video gate, man, and you're definitely doing a deal. Hey, BT, 7.5, back quiet.
All right, 7.5, take it easy, brother. Are you too loud, I'm back out.
Ain't no doubt, man. Keying up at 200 birds, swinging 400 bird watts, it will reach over there about 450 every once in a while. Ain't no doubt about it. 7.5 on this 4-element stereo at 90 feet with the wave got down.
TV sales.
All right, well, I still got BT in there kind of loud. I didn't catch what you said. Something about a video gate. I did hear that part. But it's rough and tough out here around the Kakalakis right now. Hey, have a good one back there. Be blessed, be safe. And I'm running this second video gate. Worldwide 75 back quiet. Man, I don't know what's going on out there now, but some people are doing something that just ain't even worth it. Hey, Hillbilly, it's rough and tough out here in the Carolinas right about now, ain't no doubt. Let me ease out of the way. I'm gonna let this video gate roll for a little bit longer. Hey, Hillbilly, 75 back on the mail.
I'm just saying. 75, here 121. No, 75, worldwide 75, 121. Wait, Running Man in New Orleans could get on that video gate. Oh, Running Man in New Orleans, provide technology got down.
I think you said Running Man. I think that's what I heard was Running Man. It's kind of rough out here in the Carolinas, but I think that I heard Running Man. Is that who I heard break?
We got them all. Ain't no doubt about it. Old worldwide amplifiers got down. Mighty Joe Hansen with the... Hey, Big John, sir, we're going to take it over to live video gate. Real good. Some of y'all know the road. We'll see ya. Bye-bye-bye.
Well, I can guarantee you, if you look at this video gate out there, whoever it is calling me, man, if you look at this video gate out there that I upload to that Worldwide 75 YouTube channel, you'll see the reason why I couldn't understand you. And I got my needle laid all the way in the corner. It can't even go no further, man. Anyway, I'm gonna ease back and listen. I'll call who I can hear. 75 back quiet. Hello there, I heard you that time, Running Man in New Orleans. Hey, Running Man in New Orleans, I'm gonna wait for one, man. Let me see if I can get a little more carrier out there. Hold on, let me see. Hey, Running Man in New Orleans, I'll put a little more carrier out there. Probably hurt my audio, but maybe I'll have a great big old footprint out there. Hey, Running Man 75 in the Carolinas waving, I'm standing by.
A bunch of ass and cotton-picking mask. Good gracious alive. There he is right there. There's old 777 Augusta, Georgia.
I don't know, I like keying up at that 200 burr and swinging a 400 burr. Hey, Running Man, have a good one back there. Be blessed. We'll put it on you when we can, man. And I caught you on this video gate out here in the Carolinas. I'll upload it to that Worldwide 75 YouTube channel. Hey, Running Man, 75 back quiet.
I need him back. Hey, 777, tell her I said I need him back. Hammer on that radio. That day good thing sounds good in my neighborhood. Mr. Too Tall, we'll do it again. Old Doc Holiday, Southside Alabama, working my jump radio. I see you.
I'm gonna key down. I'm gonna key down and see if I got any conditions on this ground plane. Anybody copy 75 on the shockwave break? Hey, was that you, BT, or was that Hillbilly? I couldn't tell the difference. That go around. Who was that copied me on the shockwave 75? Wants to know, break. Hey, 410, man. Well, I appreciate you letting me know that the shockwave is working, man. I hadn't keyed down on it in a little while. All right, well, I'm gonna ease right back to the flat side, man. Appreciate that one more time. Your 75 in the Carolinas waving. I'm standing by.
You sounded really good, man. That 400 birds working for you. I get up looking to you. That 400 birds working for you. All right.
Hey, Hillbilly. Hey, Hillbilly. That right there is 400 bird going through that shock wave at 96 feet to the bottom of it. Take care of your 7-5 back quiet.
Well, I tell you what, fire this evening, no doubt about it. The Carolinas are on fire, no doubt about it. I'm sitting back.
Hey, BT, Hillbilly, let me get out of here, man. My baby doll's walked in the shack out back. I'm gonna cut this video off. Spend a little time with the baby doll. Have a good one, be blessed. Worldwide 7-5 back way.
Hey, Bam, Bubby, I got Big John Studs. Put some pressure on you out there.